Yes, the main driver for all the changes in processes, materials, it's one thing, quality. Now industries like the aerospace industry, automotive industry require stricter specifications that you have to meet. You name it, case depth or harness or you name it. So in order to accomplish that, you have to meet stricter specifications, and you have to do it not only in one part, of course, you need to do it in the whole load. So quality is the name of the game, I would say, at this point. But not only that, you need to produce more. So not only having to meet the stricter regulations, you have to try to produce more with within the same space. So higher production rates is also something important for industries. And of course, energy efficiency is another one. But reducing cycle times, reducing the total cost of ownership is also something important for the industry, but mainly for the producers, for the people involved in the heat treating industry. Those that allows them to meet the regulations in a more efficient way. Precisely, Ipsen has been developing over the years these systems that in order to accomplish those things. We have been following the market, we have been following the demands, and in order to meet those, we created Carboprof that has evolved over the years to better meet those demands. So with Carboprof, for example, you can be more efficient by creating recipes very fast. It's very easy to create them. You set what your goals are, what your load is regarding material and configuration, and create the segments, and you're pretty much done. So that's one step, but also a very important thing that Carboprof allows you to do is simulate. So you have all your recipe parameters ready, and you can simulate and see what the results would be with those parameters you have created. Because in this way you are very efficient, because you don't waste any time, any materials, so you have a way to confirm before even doing it that your recipe is good. Not only that, once the recipe, the actual process starts, if something happens with any of the parameters, Carboprof will correct itself. It will try to bring those parameters for longer time, or it will correct, compensate for a lack of temperature or a change in the carbon potential. So it will let you get still the results even if something happens. So it corrects, it tries to correct. So those are very important features in Carboprof. And also not only software will allow you to get that high quality parts, it's also the quenching systems that you have. And one more added value in the development of Ipsen, you can accomplish all of this using very efficient burners. So you get the whole package, let's say, with the newest developments of Ipsen.